video lesson was created for UNISA students, specifically those students who are doing modules QMI1500 and BNU1501. I am a robotic voice which is programmed by MP Tabar so that I can speak on his behalf throughout this lesson. Should you come across some misunderstanding of the contents of this lesson which is about to start, WhatsApp or call 0671756073 or 0603372203. Now let's get to be busy with the business of the day. As you can see on your screen, the problem statement states that, consider the given inequality 3 plus 2 into 2p minus 1 over 4p is less and equal to 7 minus 3p plus 4 over 2p, where p is greater than 0, solve for p. This means that we must apply our mathematical knowledge of simplifying or factorizing in order to find the value or values of p. The first that we should do as an approach is to deal with brackets by multiplying all the terms which are inside the brackets by the 2 which is close to the same brackets. After dealing with the brackets, we will have 3 plus 4p minus 2 over 4p is less and equal to 7 minus 3p plus 4 over 2p. The next step requires us to consider adding up the terms in both sides of equality sign. On the left-hand side of equality sign, we have to perform the process of adding 3 and 4 minus 2 over 4p. The best way of adding the terms is to use the lowest common denominator since the other term is a fraction. The LCD on the left is 4p. After operating correctly by using the lowest common denominator, on the hand side, we will have 12p plus 4p minus 2 all over 4p. On the right-hand side, the lowest common denominator is 2p. After performing the mathematical operation using LCD on the right-hand side, we will have 14p minus 3p plus 4. On the left-hand side again, we have like terms. Those like terms are 12p and 4p. That means we can simply add 4p and 12p together. Now our equation on the left-hand side will be 16p minus 2 all over 4p. Now we can split the denominators to each term of the numerators. After splitting the denominators according to numerators, we will have 16p over 4p minus 2 over 4p, is less and equal to 11p over 2p plus 4 over 2p. 16p over 4p equals to 4, minus 2 over 4p equals to 1 over 2p. 11p over 2p equals to 11 over 2. Plus 4 over 2p equals to 2 over p. Therefore the next step will be, 4 minus 1 over 2p is less and equal to 11 over 2, plus 2 over p. Shall we move the constant numbers to the right-hand side and move the coefficients of p to the right-hand side? Yes, we should. Then we will have the next step as minus 1 over 2p, minus 2 over p is less and equal to 11 over 2 minus 4. We can add or subtract the terms by using the LCD as fractions are involved. The LCD on the left-hand side is 2p. And after using the LCD to subtract the fractions on the left-hand side, we will have minus 1 minus 4 all over 2p. The LCD on the right-hand side is 2. After using 2 as the LCD to subtract 4 from 11 over 2, we will have less and equal to 11 minus 8 all over 2. On the left-hand side again, we have minus 1 minus 4 and their answer is minus 5. On the right-hand side, we have 11 minus 8 and their answer is 3. Then, We will have our next step as minus 5 over 2p is less and equal to 3 over 2. Now we can cross-multiply in order to get rid of the fractions. 2p must multiply with 3 to give us 6p, minus 5 must multiply with 2 to give us minus 10. We must divide 10 by 6 in order to find exact value of p. Minus 10 divided by 6 equals to minus 5 over 3. We can eliminate negative